Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I thought we could go in with my favourite palettes at the moment. So if you have been watching my video and you're subscribed to my channel, you will know that I have been testing out the new Revolution cookies, and oh my god, I'm so happy with them. They're honestly really good and such great quality. So I decided to do a video that I've never done before, and basically it's creating two looks but with one palette, and the palette I've decided to go for is my favourite, this one, which is the birthday cake. I think it's absolutely stunning, this palette. The palette is so pastel vibes, like everything about it is pastels. You've got like purples, pinks and browns and yellows, and that yellow is gorgeous. Like, I'll link the video down below where I created the first look that I made with this palette, and honestly it's just so good. The quality of the palette is so good as well. So I'm going to be doing two looks with this palette, and I thought, what a great video to do with the favourite palette ever. So someone also commented as well. I'm going to give you a little shout out. You commented saying to rate the cookie palette, so I'm also going to be doing that. I'm going to film that afterwards because you already know my favourite, but I'm going to rate the rest of them as well. So let's get into it. So this palette is just, oh, it's just vibes. It is just vibes. It is just so cute and just perfect. So I am going to start off with, we're going to create two looks here. So I'm just going to dive in and just work with what I've got, to be honest. So the first colour that I'm going to go in with is this pink here, which is one of my favourite colours from the palette actually. But my brushes have all been washed and they've all like gone rock hard, which is annoying. So I'm going to start off and applying that right in this brush, by the way, is so weird. It actually bends. My mum got me these for Christmas and they're by Revolution and they bend. Like, can you see how flexible? Very strange, but they're so cool. I really love these. So I'm going to apply this in the crease. I'm going to use a different brush because that's a little bit too firm. I need to use something different. So going back in with that colour. I'm not gonna lie, I've just woke up from one of the best naps ever. Oh, it was so good, literally. Liam was home today because he booked it off because he watched the Super Bowl last night. So he stayed up very late. So we booked the day off on Monday today, and I got the chance to nap because he got to look after Olivia, so it felt good. I feel so refreshed, and I just thought, I'm gonna film. It's late at night, but I'm gonna film. So I have put that pink shade in my crease. I think I am going to use this lilac here. I want something purple, so I'm going to basically pop this purple colour all over the lid. Oh my god, this palette is just, it's honestly so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god, it's so cute. That is just, it's just goals. Like, this palette is just gorgeous. I honestly have so much love for it. The palette is not very pigmented, but that's what's so fun about it because it's so light. The colours are so pale and pastel, like pastel vibes, which makes it just so different, but that's what I love about it. So I've just applied that all over my lid, and then I'm going to take this colour yellow, this beautiful yellow here, and I'm going to pop that right in the inner corner, just in here, like that. I don't know if you can see very well, I don't know if the camera is But I'm not even sure if it's a little bit too bright. Might be a little bit. Is that better? Yeah, maybe. So yeah, I'm putting this yellow in the inner corner. Oh, it's so nice, so nice. So that's one eye look. I'm now going to do something like yellow and browns because I haven't done anything like that yet. So I'm going to go in with this brown here and I'm going to pop that in the crease. Like so. And then I'm going to pop the yellow. I'm going to pop the yellow all over the lid, which I think is going to look really, really nice. So that's the first look that I've done, and that's the other look. So I really love this palette. It's so versatile. Comment down below what your favourite look is that I've created. I think I prefer this. Let me put a little bit more lilac on that one and then let's go back and have a look. The thing is, like I said, this palette is it's not very pigmented, but it's pretty. Like, you need to, I don't feel like the camera is picking up on how pretty it is, like, if that makes sense. So that's the first look, the purple with the pink, and then that's the yellow and the brown. I think my favourite has to be the purple and the pink. I think it's really nice and pretty and pastel. So there we have it, 2 looks with 1 palette. Like I said, if you are to get yourself any of the makeup cookies, like if you just can get one or you just want one, I definitely recommend this one. The other ones are really good as well. Like, they're all so good. The collection is so amazing and I'm so glad that I got my hands on all of them. But this one has to be my favourite. There's just something about it. It's very pastel and very pretty and girly. I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below which look you prefer. If you prefer the purple and the pink or the yellow and the brown. And please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.